accidentally send money to the wrong account, or change your mind about a transfer. Don't panic. Here's how to cancel your Wise transfer. First, navigate to your Wise account, either on the website or through the app. You'll want to find the Activity section, also sometimes called Transactions, where all your past and pending transfers are listed. Now, locate the transfer you want to cancel. Crucially, look at its status. You can only cancel transfers that are still in the pending stage. This means Wise hasn't sent the money out yet. If it says completed, sent, or something similar, unfortunately, cancellation isn't possible directly through Wise. Tap or click on the pending transfer to view its details. If cancellation is possible, you'll see a Cancel Transfer button, usually located near the top or bottom of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. Wise will then display a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to cancel. Read the message carefully, as it might mention any potential fees associated with the cancellation. These fees, if any, will vary depending on the currency and how far along the transfer process was. Confirm your cancellation by clicking Yes, Cancel, or a similar button. You should then see a confirmation screen, indicating that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. This screen will also usually provide an estimated time frame for when the funds will be returned to your Wise account. Typically, this takes a few business days.